What's up, my mathletes? That's right, Mr. Muscarella coming at you. And in this video, we're going to take a look at some notation issues that you want to make sure that you avoid when working with double and half angle formulas and in trigonometry. So let's take a look at some student work here. Now check this out. I mean, this is very, very telling, in student work. And so parentheses matters. Really got to be careful with that because you can clearly see tangent of 2 pi over 3 plus 3 pi over 4. That gives you this value of 0.624, blah, 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 blah. Now, if I put parentheses around that, I get a completely different value, and those values are definitely not the same. So please be sure you pay attention because the notation matters. So in your student work, make sure that you put parentheses around the angle when you're using a sum or a difference formula. Now let's take a look at a half angle formula here. So check this one out. Now this is great. It looks like this student has the correct formula because they've put all of that over 2. Now over here, if we go down here, I'm going to just highlight this part right there. You got 1/2 plus square root of 5 over 5. Now when you work with that, and it's not clear how the student came up with this, which is their final answer, I guess. It's not very clear how they got to that step, but when you go through the process of simplifying that or working with that, 1/2 and then plus square root of 5 over 5, all of that underneath the square root, you get a common denominator, which is 10. So that'll be 5 over 10 plus 2 square roots of 5 over 10. Again, the whole thing is underneath the square root. Then when you combine that, you'll see that your answer, so let's just go ahead and move these guys up here a little bit more here. So when you combine that, you'll see that your final answer is going to be 5 plus 2 square root of 5, all of that over 10. But the square root is around the whole thing. If you look at here what this student has, the square root does not go to the denominator. So again, come on, notation matters. So pay attention to those things as you're writing your work, and your answers and your grades and all the other things will be much more in line with what the expectations are, and you'll be right. All right, so thanks so much for watching. Make it a great day, and I'll catch up with you guys later. Peace.